see the stress fractures around the weld seam. The fatigue limit has been reached.
And the ultrasonic reading confirms severe thinning.
Hull integrity compromised at sector Gamma 12. Significant plating failure and extensive stress fracture.
This section here needs reinforcement before we proceed.
What about the structural integrity around frame 52?
We'll address that concurrently.
Outriggers are fully extended and stable. We are clear to swing the boom towards the hull.
Over. Easy now, lower just a few inches.
We're lined up, setting the pin.
All right, take the strain slowly.
I still can't believe how big this thing is.
It's exactly 40 feet high, according to the schematics.
It's tilting. Easy now, bring it up slowly.
The reading on frame 42 confirms a significant stress riser.
Noted. I'm updating the model now. The propagation rate seems stable for the moment.
Okay, easy lift, easy lift.
Coming right, keep it steady. We're clear of the platform.
As the colossal vessel is hoisted, the impressive engineering of the triple shafts is revealed.
Easy now, easy. We have 3 meters clearance at the bow. Come left 5 degrees.
All stations, confirm securing sequence completed.
Deck confirms green across the board.
We have keel contact on the center blocks.
Slow the pumps by 5% and monitor the pressure gauges closely. We need even distribution.
Good morning, team. As we discussed, the roof structure is priority 1. Now, if you look closely at these schematics, you'll see the revised support system. Watch the line. Okay, easy now. Set it down slow.
Extensive spalling here at segment C4. The rebar exposure is significant. Noted.
How does the sealant look on the lower joint?
The displacement here is exactly 45.2 millimeters.
Confirmed. The laser scan shows significant warping near the tear.
Hold the shear. We have unexpected damage at sector 4. Water jet, clear that section now.
The starboard side shows extensive biofouling, particularly the hard-shelled barnacles and tube worm.
Reading 14.2 millimeters. Within tolerance for this section.
Looking at the restoration timeline here on the Gantt chart, we are perfectly aligned with Phase 1 deliverables. The current budget utilization is exactly as planned.
The schematics for the main battery here, they match the archival photo.
Yes, the authenticity is confirmed. Look at this measurement.
The data confirms it, 5F6670.
Excellent. The Baltic Gray is approved.
Focus on the consistency of the bead. That's how we ensure quality and pass the certification test.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Clear on the alignment, set it in. Get that hot one ready now. All right, hit it, drive it down hard.
Steady now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Hold it there, we're almost aligned on the west side. Take it up slow. All right, bring it left, easy now.
Take it down 5 millimeters, easy now.
5 millimeters, holding steady.
Looks aligned on this side, sir.
We need to ensure the alignment of the starboard shaft is absolutely precise. The tolerances here are minimal.
Check the pressure on the gauge. Read steady now, boss.
The mounting ring is aligned, Herr Major. Technical inspection is complete.
Very good, Lieutenant. The foundation is ready. Bring that beam up. Angle it left. Okay, hold it right there. Lower it steady now, watch the alignment. All right, she's in the socket, hold her there.
Hull plating complete from bow to stern, smooth continuous surface, structural integrity restored, waterline defined.
Verify the alignment on Section 4 before the next lift.
Agreed. Double-check the schematics for the cooling system tolerances.
Crane control to deck, begin slow traverse east.
Copy that. Traverse east. Watch the starboard clearance.
Easy now, just a fraction left.
It's tight, sir.
Hold it there, she's seated. Well done, lads.
Easy now, hold the line. Bring her down 50 centimeters. Watch the starboard side. Lower her slowly. Watch the alignment, it's almost seated.
Aye. Secure the welding team.
Hold it steady. Easy now, bring it down.
All right, lock it in place.
Check the traverse on that quad mount.
Okay, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the left.
I have it, it's heavy.
Settle it gently.
Heave, men. Watch the David arm.
Aye, sir, she's nearly home.
Secure the forward pin now. Langsam senken.
Halt den Kran! Die Klammern sichern!
Roger, Druck ist gut.
All engines full ahead.
Full ahead. Course steady, 095.
From this comprehensive bird's-eye view, the complete deck layout is visible, highlighting the 4 massive turrets.
We ensure these stories are preserved for generations to come. It is my honor to introduce.
Thank you. This truly is a landmark day for our community.
Look closely at the hull. This is where the real history comes alive, right before your eyes. A historical anchor, a patient guardian, a timeless vessel representing